Today is day 23 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 23.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So here's door number 23. It's on the bottom of the calendar. Is it already almost open? Yeah. It says cherish family and friends. And today we have mango raspberry lime spread. This was a flavor that was in last year's advent calendar. I'm gonna taste it again. Yeah, I remember being totally surprised at how well mango and raspberry go together, because they do. This is absolutely delicious. Then when you add a little lime to it, it's just such a nice combination. Today I am making Irish soda bread, and this is a super easy recipe. This is a recipe for traditional Irish soda bread. It only has 3 ingredients, one of which is flour, so I'm using a 1/4 cup of flour. The next ingredient is baking soda, that's why it's called Irish soda bread, and I want to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And the other ingredient is buttermilk. And I have some buttermilk in my refrigerator that I need to use up before it goes bad. So that's one of the reasons why I thought I would make this recipe. So I need to add 1/8 of a cup of buttermilk, or 2 tablespoons. And these mini fruit spread jars from this Bonne Maman advent calendar are exactly 1/8 of a cup, or 2 tablespoons. So now all I need to do is mix this together. To form a dough. I'm going to use my hand for the rest of it. It's a little bit sticky right now, but it should come together. So there's our dough for our mini Irish soda bread. And I will be cooking this in my Dash mini pie maker. I just plugged it in. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then I'm ready to start baking this. I should have had this already heated up. The blue light just went off, so let's open this up. And I'm going to take my soda bread dough and put it inside there. Let's close that. Now, Irish soda bread normally bakes at around 425 degrees. And this Dash mini pie maker, I don't think it gets that hot. I think it only gets to 350. I mean, I could be wrong, but I think it's cooler than 425. Also, since we're making a much smaller soda bread, I'm not exactly sure how long to cook this. So I'm gonna check it in about 10 minutes and we'll take a look at it. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's see what's going on inside. And that's what it looks like. It's definitely risen. I don't know if it's ready yet. The bottom. To me, I want to say let's cook it for another 10 minutes. Let's just make sure it's not raw inside. It's been a total of 20 minutes now, and this smells really good, so I kind of think maybe it's done. That's what it looks like. It is much darker on the outside. It's really golden. So I just unplugged this mini pie maker. Let's take this out. Here's the mini Irish soda bread. I think it is just adorable. It is so small. It's really like soda bread for one. I'm trying to decide how I want to cut into this. Like, do I want to cut into it this way? Or do I want to cut into it like you would if it was a biscuit? Since it's not a biscuit, I think I'm going to cut into it how I would normally cut into an Irish soda bread. Like if this was a larger bread, I would cut in from the top. So I'm just going to cut all the way through. Let's just cut it in half like this. Let's hope it's cooked inside. And that's what the inside of this mini Irish soda bread looks like. Let's cut this half and half again so we could just get a better idea of what's going on inside of it. Maybe it was overcooked. That looks cooked to me, but I am used to Irish soda bread being like a lighter color. This one almost looks like it was made with whole wheat flour, but it wasn't. Maybe it was cooked for too long. It tastes good. I'm gonna put some butter on that piece, and I'm just gonna taste it plain with some butter because usually that's how I've eaten Irish soda bread in the past. Yeah, it's good. It tastes like soda bread. I don't know why the color got dark like that because I don't think it's overcooked. Like, it's not totally dried out or anything. It's still quite moist inside. So now I'm gonna put some of the fruit spread on it, the mango, raspberry, lime. I just looked up some information that said that brown spots in the soda bread could be from where the baking soda, wasn't fully mixed in. And I really should have mixed the baking soda into the flour before I added the buttermilk. So that was my fault. They also said it could be an indication of too much baking soda, but these don't taste overly salty. Usually if you add too much baking soda, like, you'll really taste it. I'm not really tasting it. I am going to continue enjoying this with my fruit spread from today. It's almost like a tropical raspberry spread. This is definitely a recipe that I would try again. I'd like to see how it comes out in some of the other Dash appliances. But for today, I'm very happy with this. Even though it's a little bit brown inside, it does not affect the flavor at all. What I just realized is that the size of this mini Irish soda bread is pretty much the size of like a dinner roll. So it's really like an Irish soda roll. And so that's what I did with the fruit spread from my Bonne Maman advent calendar today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.